So this video is all about replacing a split turbo pipe, and this one here has been the problem, been having some black smoke coming out of the engine, not the engine, the exhaust, and we're going to replace it. Now I did a temporary repair on it because I found a split, ordered a new one which has arrived, and I must say I do use new ones, not second hand ones, because of the turbo. It has boost pressure, so you need something decent if you are going to replace a pipe. So the temporary measure has worked, but we're going to replace it with a new one anyway. And first thing we need to do is remove the Jubilee clips. So to do this I am using a 7mm socket, and this one is quite easy to get to, but I do have a wobble bar extension which is one of these that allows the socket to wobble, so you can get it into awkward places like this. So we can just get the socket on and start loosening it. You'll feel the clip loosening away. You need to get it as loose as possible, or as loose as you dare, and then come to the second one. Now on this there should be a bolt here, but it's missing, so can't undo that. But your pipes should just come off and the clips disappeared. But there you can see how it had split here. So I'd cut about an inch off this pipe, but the split had continued across there, so I managed to get it back on so I could drive. So yeah, so what we need to do is disconnect this from the front hose, like that. It's as easy as that. Now I haven't got any replacement clips, so I'm going to reuse the old ones, which will be fine. So this clip here has like a claw that fits over the top, so that needs pressing back into the tube a little bit, stop it slipping, and when this is back on it'll clamp up better once you start clamping it back on. But what we'll do is clamp that back on with some pliers or something, and then get it back on the inlet. And then it's just a case of getting things back on. You might need to loosen your Jubilee clip off again. My old one has just fallen down the side of the engine. Now this feels really tight, so that's good. So what we'll do is loosen that off a bit more, which will allow it to slip over. So I loosened the clip off a bit. Nice to get it right over. So I've adjusted the Jubilee clip, pushed it right onto the inlet manifold, and what we're going to do now is attach it to the intercooler pipe. Again, these feel really nice and tight. It's a really good substantial piece of rubber hosing is this, so it should make it more effective. So once you're happy with where they are and where position's in, so I've got this clip more or less right in place now, I can start tightening it back up. You could use a screwdriver, but these 7mm sockets generally fit on any Jubilee clip, and it just makes it a lot easier, and potentially you can get it that little bit tighter as well. And believe me, these do need to be tight on a turbo hose, because they will blow off if you don't. And so there we go, that is a turbo pipe fitted turbo hose. And if you're having black smoke issues, there are other issues that could be causing that, but the most common one is split hose pipe from the turbo. So just to run you through, this is the air intake hose pipe, and there is one there that comes from the rocker cover. It goes down into your turbo, which is in the depths of the engine down there at the bottom. See, it boosts the pressure up through here, which is your first hose that comes from the turbo. The rest of it's metal into another flexible one, into your intercooler, another flexible one, and this is the one that we've replaced. I would say it'd be either one of these ones or these rubber ones that would probably fail on your system if you're having problems with black smoke. So there you go, problem resolved. I hope you got something out of the video. Like and follow for more. Thanks for watching.